Yes, guys, what's good? As you all know, I'm on my way to Morocco for some charity work for the earthquake victims. I'm just here right now, chilling the duty free, as you can see. I won't say anything's really discounted, to be honest. See, like this Duke, £35. Can you see that? It says 40% off. Don't think it is. To be fair, I think you can get it cheaper. But yeah, off to Morocco for some aid work. Let's get it. We're here. I'm stuck in traffic. Yes guys, so on our way to the villages, done a little pit stop at this little bazaar with this beautiful mountain backdrop, as you can see behind me. So this is en route to the earthquake affected villages. So guys, in the coach, look at that backdrop. Wow, I don't know if you can see this, yeah? We've just got like natural spring water, which is so nice and cool, just running all the way from the mountains, running all the way down, and it actually feels so nice touching that water. It's really hot today, it's about 35 degrees right now, so we're going to be driving this way into the mountains to the villages, so yeah, stay tuned. Time to go for the munch. See where we're going. We go over there. See what the food's like. Check this place out. See if it's ever good. So we are done. We are done. We are done. Yeah. Stayed at this place.
مرحبا بكم عند بن مورو كازبا بن مورو. You are welcome.
Yes,
مرحبا.
everybody welcome.
مرحبا.
Thank you, brother.
يلا بسلامة brother.
Thank
Au revoir.
you,
Merci
thank
beaucoup.
you, brother.
La prochaine fois.
Yes.
مرحبا.
If you ever want somewhere to stay, this is the place.
Yeah, thank you very much. You are
Beautiful.
welcome. You are welcome.
Yeah.
عليكم السلام.
VIP service. This is the place, guys. So when you want somewhere to stay, a beautiful Casbah, this is where you need to come. Look at this place. Beautiful architecture. Nice and quiet out of the way. Just saying. We're good to go. Off to the camps now, huh? Is that where we're going?
Yes.
Let's go.
The affected areas.
To the affected areas. Let's go. Alright guys, so we've come up to the mountains. We are in the Atlas region. As you can see behind me, all the affected areas. So we're gonna go visit them houses behind me and try and help them. And we're gonna give them some aid. So we've got some money and some envelopes, what you guys have donated. And we're gonna go and help these families with the money what you guys have donated. So inshallah, we'll start making our way, climbing up these villages, and there's more villages behind it. We'll try and get to them all. So yeah, I'll do some videos once we get inside. I'll show you what conditions they are. And yeah. Guys, so we've just handed out some envelopes with money with your donations. So again, I want to thank you all. We've just handed out to the villagers behind us, a few families. Now, if you can see over there behind me, there's a camp. So we'll walk up to that camp. The trek it's mad, just so you know. So we're gonna go up to these camps. Assalamu alaikum. So we're gonna go up to them camps over there and help them people. and we're gonna give out more of the money what you guys donated to these people. So again, alhamdulillah, thank you all for donations, and I want to thank everybody. These people, thank you. I'm out of breath, man. We're in the mountain regions, as you can see, and it's constant climbing. So guys, just an update for you, just so you know, this camp we're going to, these guys have been moved from these houses over here to these tents over here because the houses are collapsed, broke. 30 odd people died in them houses, so these people have lost their siblings. So it continues, guys. Look how much I've walked all the way from there, yeah? So we've walked. Now we're going to the next place. As you can see over there, there's another camp. You're gonna take massive treks to get to a lot of these camps, man. Some of the people, just for the local shop, they're gonna travel like 15-20 kilometers. It's like 10 to 20 kilometers just to get to the local shop for something if they need something. A lot of them can't afford it, as you can see, with the state they're living in. They can't afford it, so we're giving out, like I said, envelopes with money in it. Hopefully it helps them get the essentials what they need, and inshallah, you know, it gives them a bit of joy. Again, thank you all for your donations. This is what we're putting into. This is one of the houses this guy lives in, who's with us right now. He's showing us. So check out how nice this house was. Look at all this. Look how all everything is broken. All his wall, everything's come through. Come this way. Look at this room. I'm gonna show you this. Come inside. This is this brother's house. This is your house here, bro. This is this brother's house. This is what's happened. Come through. Look at this. This. Ceilings, everything's collapsed. All gone. Walls, everything demolished, as you can see. All the upstairs, downstairs, through there, all the house is wrecked. Look at the cracks on the wall. Look at these cracks. Look at all these cracks. See these cracks? It's not even safe for us to be in. Now like somebody living. Everything. Oh. Can you see these cracks? All down wrecked. Oh. So if you come outside, this was the kitchen. As you can see, everything wrecked. Everything gone. Over here, you'll see showing this. Look at this over here. Everything demolished. The guys are living in them tents outside, as you can see. And then so everything you guys are donating, alhamdulillah, is going to these people. It's going to help them, it's going to help their families, and they're going to make dua for all of us. So please, guys, you know what your money is going to. 100% is going to all of this, what you're seeing. I'm trekking up these mountains everywhere, trying to get your money out there for these people. So they're making dua for everybody. So inshallah, we're going to do a few more and then carry on, as you know. Donations, guys, to the people that are in need. Hello, brother. Marhaba. So guys, as you can see, yeah, sister, this brother is really in need of a wheelchair. As you can see, his wheelchair is in a really bad state. Come now and just show this wheelchair, bro. So as you can see, his wheelchair is in a really bad state. So with some of the donations you guys have made, we are donating this brother a new wheelchair. So we will leave the money with his mother, and inshallah she will get him a wheelchair brought to him, so soon he will have a better condition wheelchair and he'll be able to move around this little camp what they did. So guys, as you can see, we've had a little pit stop by Rasta doing wuzu. We're about to read namaz in a bit. So we've just ordered some food at this little cliff top cafe, if you can see behind this van, this little place. So we've just stopped here. Gonna have a little break and then pray while these guys make us our food. You can see this place is beautiful, man. Look at the views from this place. Look, let me show you the views. So you see the views is amazing from this place. It's like on the top of the Atlas Mountains. You see the police over there chilling. They're watching us. Oh yeah. So it's just a nice little place. We're gonna pray, wait for our food. Got some new guys.
Big problems with aid coming in, they're blocking loads of aid. Yeah, it's difficult to get your head around. There's quite a few different reasons.
It's just a little shop. Nice little cafe. Top of the cliff. Couple of seats to sit down. Got some couple of seats outside. And then, like I said, got that crazy view. So, we've ordered some food. We're gonna pray while we wait for the food. I'll show you the food. I'll let you know how it goes, guys, yeah? What to do, dua? بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إلا رب العالمين ويسقي وإذا ما رسل فهو يشفين وإذا ما رسل إلى رب العالمين الذي خلقني فهو يهدين والذي هو يطعمني ويسقي وإذا ما رسل فهو يشفين وإذا ما رسل فهو يشفين. يا رب إنك على كل شيء قدير اللهم اختم علينا وعليكم بالتوحيد والإيمان والإحسان والسنة والشهداء من العالمين. اللهم بلغ ثواب ما قرأناه اللهم آمين ونور ما تلوناه إلى روح سيدنا عليه السلام وإلى روح جميع الأنبياء والأولياء والمرسلين وإلى روح آب
been an emotional one. But it's done. And we out, boys, we out.